Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, I'll be teaching you adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. What do we mean by adjoint matrix? The adjoint matrix of a matrix is the transpose of the matrix formed by substituting each element of the matrix by its cofactor. What I'm saying is, when a matrix is given, we determine the minor of the matrix, we find the cofactor of the matrix, and the cofactor of the matrix is being transposed. Now, what we now have as the transposition of the cofactor of matrix in question is what we mean by adjoint matrix. If you haven't watched our previous videos on minor of a matrix, please you need to go and watch, and cofactor of a matrix. So when you watch the minor and the cofactor of the matrices, then you can come and learn the adjoint matrix. Let's get into the content of this video. Adjoint matrix. Remember, like I said, adjoint matrix of a matrix is the transpose of the matrix formed through cofactor of a matrix or by cofactor of matrix A. Let's take for an example, and this example is the same example we have been using for minor of matrix and the cofactor of a matrix, so that we can be able to proceed from the processes of calculation. So let's take example 1. So let's take matrix A, which is equal to 3, 4, 6, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 3, and 5. So this is what is contained in matrix A. Now, to find adjoint matrix, the first thing is, what is the minor of this matrix? Remember how minor is to be calculated. A row to be deleted and a column to be deleted, and determinant of other elements in that matrix is to be calculated, then firstly subtracted and secondly added, and we get to have the minor of matrix. Remember that minor of matrix is being represented by Mij. So let's say Mij of matrix A. As we know, Mij of matrix A was 8, 9, 7, 2, 21, 13, 10, this is minus 10, minus 15, and minus 5. So this was what we got from calculation of minor of a matrix. So this gives us this. How? Go and watch our minor matrix. But for explanation's sake, we delete a row and a column, find determinant. The determinant here, that is the determinant of 1 minus 1, 3, 5, gives us 8. When this row, when this column and this row is deleted, we have 2 minus 1 minus 1, 5. The determinant of that gives us 9. Determinant of when 6 is picked, such that the row of that 6 is deleted and the same column is deleted, and we have 2, 1, minus 1, and 3. The determinant of this now gives us 7. So that was how we got the determinant. And that's how we got the minor. So eventually when we find the determinant, one is subtracted from the other one and then added with the last one. Then we have this minor. Now that we have this minor, the next thing is to find the cofactor. So from there we take the cofactor of A, of matrix A. And we explain that the cofactor of matrix A is just by multiplying each of these elements by plus and minus, starting from plus. When we start from plus, we multiply 8 by plus, we multiply 9 by minus, we multiply 7 by plus, we multiply 2 by minus, we multiply 21 by plus, we multiply 13 by minus, we multiply minus 10 by plus, we multiply minus 15 by minus, we multiply minus 5 by plus, and get a cofactor of matrix A. That is to tell, the cofactor of matrix A becomes becomes 8 minus 9, 7 minus 2, 21 minus 13 minus 10, 15 minus 5. These are the cofactor of matrix A. Plus is multiplied with 8 plus 8. Minus is multiplied with 9 minus 9. Plus is multiplied with 7 plus 7. Minus is multiplied with 2 minus 2. Plus is multiplied with 21 plus 21. Minus is multiplied with 13 minus 13. Plus is multiplied with minus 10 minus 10. Minus is multiplied with minus 15. Minus times minus gives us plus, so that makes it to be 15. And then minus multiplied by plus gives us minus, and then we have a 5. So this is the cofactor of matrix A. Now the major subject of matter in this video is to get to the adjoint matrix. And we have said that the adjoint matrix is the transpose of this matrix, of this cofactor of matrix A, joint matrix. Now what do we mean by transpose? Transpose is the conversion of the row to the column and the column to the row. The conversion of the column to the row and the row to the column. Meaning that column 1 becomes row 1, column 2 becomes row 2, column 3 becomes row 3, and row 1 becomes column 1, row 2 becomes column 2, and row 3 becomes column 3. So how do we get that done? Let's take it together. This is row 1, right? 8 minus